Have you ever been amazed by birds that can talk? Some birds possess an incredible ability to mimic human speech, creating astonishing imitations that leave us speechless. In this video, we'll explore the fascinating world of birds that can mimic human voices, uncovering the secrets behind their talents and learning about the most remarkable species. Stay tuned to discover the top birds known for their exceptional mimicry. The African gray parrot is widely regarded as the most proficient talking bird. Native to the rainforests of West and Central Africa, this parrot is known for its incredible intelligence and impressive vocabulary. African greys can learn hundreds of words and phrases, and some even develop an understanding of the context in which to use them. These parrots are highly social and require a lot of mental stimulation to stay happy and healthy. Their mimicry skills are so advanced that they can replicate human speech, household noises, and even other animal sounds with astonishing accuracy. Their ability to mimic is linked to their high cognitive abilities, making them one of the most popular pet birds for those looking for a talking companion. Amazon parrots are another group of highly skilled mimics. These vibrant, colorful parrots are native to the rainforests of South America and the Caribbean. Known for their social and playful nature, Amazon parrots can develop an extensive vocabulary and are often seen engaging in playful banter with their owners. The yellow-naped Amazon, in particular, is famous for its talking abilities. These parrots are not only good at mimicking human speech but also excel at replicating songs and melodies. Their ability to pick up on the tone and inflection of human voices makes their speech sound incredibly lifelike. The Indian ringneck parakeet is a talented talker known for its clear speech and extensive vocabulary. Native to parts of Africa and South Asia, these parakeets are popular pets due to their bright plumage and engaging personalities. Indian ringnecks can learn to say words and phrases, often mimicking their owners' voices with remarkable clarity. These parakeets are quick learners and enjoy interactive play, which helps them develop their speech abilities. They are also known for their distinctive, melodic calls and ability to mimic other sounds they hear regularly. With consistent training and social interaction, Indian ringnecks can become excellent talkers. Budgerigars, commonly known as budgies or parakeets, are small birds with big talking abilities. Native to Australia, these birds are among the most popular pet birds in the world. Male budgies are especially good at mimicking human speech and can develop a large vocabulary with regular training. Budgies are social and active birds that thrive on interaction and mental stimulation. Their small size and charming personalities make them excellent pets for those new to bird ownership. Despite their diminutive stature, budgies can mimic words and phrases clearly, often surprising their owners with their talking skills. The hill myna is renowned for its exceptional ability to mimic human speech and other sounds. Native to South and Southeast Asia, these birds have a striking appearance with their glossy black feathers and bright orange-yellow wattles. Hill mynas are highly prized for their talking abilities and can replicate words and phrases with remarkable accuracy. Hill mynas have a unique vocal apparatus that allows them to produce a wide range of sounds, including human speech, whistles, and other noises. They are often kept as pets in their native regions due to their impressive mimicry skills. These birds are social and enjoy interacting with humans, making them engaging and entertaining companions. The Eclectus parrot is known for its vivid plumage and impressive talking abilities. Native to the Solomon Islands, New Guinea, and nearby islands, these parrots have a unique appearance with the males sporting bright green feathers and the females a striking red and blue. Eclectus parrots are intelligent and social birds that can develop a good vocabulary and clear speech. These parrots are also known for their gentle and friendly nature, making them popular pets. They require a lot of mental stimulation and interaction to thrive, and with consistent training, they can become excellent talkers. Eclectus parrots can mimic not only human speech but also various sounds they hear in their environment. The lyrebird, native to Australia, is renowned for its extraordinary ability to mimic natural and artificial sounds. These birds can imitate chainsaws, car alarms, and other bird calls with remarkable accuracy. The superb lyrebird is particularly famous for its intricate and mesmerizing courtship displays. During the display, the male fans out its tail feathers, which resemble a lyre, and performs complex vocalizations. The lyrebird's incredible mimicry skills and elaborate displays make it one of the most fascinating birds. The Quaker parrot, also known as the monk parakeet, is a small bird with impressive talking abilities. Native to South America, these parrots are known for their charming personalities and ability to mimic human speech. Quaker parrots can develop a good vocabulary and are often seen engaging in playful conversations with their owners. These parrots are social and active birds that thrive on interaction and mental stimulation. Their small size and engaging personalities make them excellent pets for those looking for a talking bird. With consistent training and socialization, Quaker parrots can become excellent mimics, capable of learning a wide range of words and phrases. The cockatiel, native to Australia, is a small parrot with a big personality and the ability to mimic human speech. These birds are known for their whistling abilities and can learn to imitate words and phrases with practice. Cockatiels are social, affectionate, and make excellent pets for those looking for a talking bird. Male cockatiels are particularly good at mimicking sounds and are often more vocal than females. They enjoy interactive play and require mental stimulation to stay happy and healthy. With consistent training and attention, cockatiels can become charming companions capable of learning a variety of sounds and speech. The brown-headed parrot, native to parts of southern Africa, is a small parrot known for its intelligence and ability to mimic human speech. These birds are social and enjoy interacting with their owners, often learning to repeat words and phrases with clarity. Brown-headed parrots are playful and curious, making them excellent pets for those looking for a talking bird. With consistent training and socialization, these parrots can develop a good vocabulary and become engaging companions. If you enjoyed learning about these amazing talking birds and their incredible mimicry skills, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, hit the like button, and share this video with your friends. Leave a comment below telling us which bird you found the most fascinating and which species you'd like to learn more about in future videos. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video of Curious Animal Kingdom, Birds, where we'll continue to explore the amazing world of birds and their fascinating stories. Until then.